Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode we can take a look at this option bar and pick the options, the settings, the three bars icon. And as you can see, the second bar is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Of course, it is right now turned off. We've got this crossed out icon, but we can set 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. It is highlighted in this, well, it is in this reddish, really orangish color. So after getting back to the camera, we can tap on the shutter button, and your device from now on will count down from 10, 3 or 5, whatever option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. And as you can see, the photo has been taken, so basically this is how it works. Of course, you can change the countdown or turn it off just by tapping on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Xiaomi 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.